Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's lovely to be back in reality time because we've just got back from Portugal. Anyway, I came home to my April's DEGUSTA box. So here we go, this is April's box. Excuse any dog noise here. You subscribe to my channel, you watch me regularly, you know I've got 3 dogs and I've got 2 puppies and they're always playing. So I'm going to go through the dump first, the paperwork bits. It includes everything that's in this box and the price of everything, so I will be referring to that when I pick things out. It comes to you delivered in this box and it's all sealed, and if you don't know anything about a DEGUSTA box, it's a monthly subscription box. It's £12.99 per month. That includes your P&P, so there's no extra to pay for that. You can opt in and out as and when you want to, so you don't have to have a box every month if you don't want to. So if you're interested in trying a DEGUSTA box for the very first time, if you click on the little link that I'm going to leave at the bottom with my code that you quote in the checkout, you'll be able to get your first box for £7.99, and that includes your P&P as well. So just thought I'd cover that now for you. Okay, so I'm just going to crack on now. There's a little bit more gum inside this box. So what's this one? Flowers that you can send off, and they actually fit through a letterbox, and it's £10 off. So if you want to use this code to send somebody some flowers and get £10 off, I'm just going to hold that Violet. So you might as well just use that code, and I'll pop it down in the little description box down below anyway for you. So there's 50p of Love Corn. I'll hold that one up for you. There we go, if I go a bit closer, there's a code there if you want to use that one. I'm going to actually dig in finally to the box. So these are new Oat Cheerios. I've not seen Oat Cheerios anywhere before, I have to say. So what have we got here? 375 gram box here of new Oat Cheerios, and they retail for £2.69. Thai food tea here, 80 tea bags. What does it say about these? Let's see what it says. So you've got 80 tea bags in here. They retail £2.20. And it's black tea. London flavours, premium crisps, street food, teriyaki flavour, gluten-free and vegan friendly. Got 40 grams in there. They retail at let's have a look, £1. What it says here is that I should receive 1 of 3 flavours. So they've got 3 different flavours here. Here we've got 3 different flavours there, and I received the teriyaki flavour. Oh, mango and passion fruit juice drink. No added sugar or sweeteners. 1 of you 5 a day. So that's the packaging on this. This retails for £2, and it says a uniquely crafted fruit juice drink with no added sugar or sweeteners, packed in an environmentally friendly carton, that's good, with resealable pack, which is ideal for when you're on the go. All our crafted drinks count as 1 of your 5 a day, sweet, smooth and subtle, enjoy. Available from cafes, delis, farm shops and convenience stores. Okay, so this one, microwavable Heinz cream of tomato soup. Now, obviously, Heinz tomato soup is not new, but I think it's new in this particular way of serving it. You can put this straight into the microwave, and you could probably, like if you're using it for a lunch or something, if you're out at work, then this can be your pot as well. In the microwave for 1.5 minutes, that's what it looks like. 355 grams there. And that retails at £1.19, and it just says it's available at major supermarkets. Okay, Heinz baked beans. Seems a little bit random, but they are organic. I don't know, but I've never actually purchased the Heinz beans organic ones before. So yeah, just your standard Heinz baked beans, 415 grams. Heinz organic baked beans are packed full of the finest organically grown ingredients, offering you the organic alternative to the deliciously comforting beans. So maybe them being organic is a new thing. I honestly don't know, but I'm going to look in the shops now. But yeah, £1 for that. Okay, what's this? Not Guilty Bites by the Skinny Food Company. High protein white chocolate crispies. 99 calories per pack. There we go, that's what they look like. They retail at £1.49. There's 2 flavours available. I've obviously got the white chocolate one. And what does it say? Not Guilty Crispies are guilt and gluten-free. These Crispies are delightfully sweet, satisfying cravings for less than 100 calories. They're also packed with an impressive source of protein, so are an ideal snack for on the go. So that's that one. Oh, Candy Kittens. Now this is their gourmet sweets. My little tiny kitten faces in there. Vegan friendly, gluten free, natural colours and flavours made with real fruit juice. I've not tried these before, but I have tried some of the others that were available from Superdrug, and they were lovely, I have to say. So there's 108 grams in there. £1.50 for the bag. And they're available at Tesco, Sainsbury's, Superdrug and Morrison's. Our gourmet sweets are completely free from gelatin and gluten, made for you to enjoy, so obviously that's why they're vegan friendly as well. Slim rice sushi, there you go. Reduced calorie, gluten free, sugar free, fat free, salt free. Never used this before, no idea what to do with that. Let's have a look. So you empty half the pack onto the sheet. You spread on 3/4 of the area, and then you add your fish or your veg, and then you cut and roll. Best served with soy sauce, okay, miso paste and ginger. So obviously it's all in there then, so you've obviously got your little sheet, you've got your rice. It's going to be interesting. There's no cooking required, so it's got to be easy. It's vegan friendly, so yeah, helps you lose weight. Okay. Effective, scientifically proven weight loss. I'll let you know about that one. It'd be a miracle if it does. The price of this one is £2.55, and it's available from www.eatwater.co.uk. What it says is, this easy-to-roll sushi rice is made with natural ingredients including Japanese sushi rice and konjac rice. It contains 9 calories per piece and is scientifically proven to help you manage and lose weight. What's more, it can also be used as sticky rice. Okay, I might have to look into that a little bit more. But yeah, £2.55 for that. Howdy, just to let you know, we're a delicious gluten-free vegan smoky premium roasted corn snack. So it's called Love Corn. Now, you know what I said just now, I showed you something, didn't I, to get 50p off your Love Corn. There you go, it's for this. That's what the bag looks like. What it says is, y'all ready for some barbecue goodness? Oh, I'm ever so sorry for those of you in America if I didn't do that right. That retails at £1.29. It says available at all major supermarkets. Okay, Bullseye. Steakhouse Bullseye New York Steakhouse Barbecue Sauce. Looking forward to trying this. So you've got 300 mils here. So that's what it looks like. It retails for £2.49. New Yorkers never back down, and the same is true when it comes to flavour. That's why this sauce is full of heart and ready to take on any red meat. Bullseye brings the ultimate authentic American barbecue taste, available from all major supermarkets. I might try that tonight. Pachamama. That's what it looks like. It says I should receive one of 2 different flavours, and this is the flavour that I've received, which is cacao and cashew. Retails for £1.39. It says it's a delicious mix of cacao, dates, nuts, grains and seeds, A guilt-free chocolatey hit with the taste of the Andes, a fresh and zingy mix of fruit, grains, seeds and nuts that will release your inner energy and get your taste buds tingling. No added sugar and 100% vegan. And it's available from Pacamama website and Gather and Gather. So there's something you have to go online for. Last but not least, the bottle of drink. I think I've actually had this before. It is a relatively new cordial out there, but I'm sure that I've had this one before. It's pressed pear and elderflower, and it's very, very nice. If it is the one that I've had, I'm sure it is, by Robinson's. But as I say, it is a relatively new cordial. That's what it looks like. It's got 500 ml in here. And this retails for £2.49, and it says since 1823 Robinsons have been making delicious fruit drinks. Our experts have now crafted this deliciously refreshing pear and elderflower cordial, pairing juicy pears with delicate elderflower for the perfect refreshing drink. Available at all major supermarkets. And I say, yeah, £2.49 for that lot. So I paid £12.99 for the whole box, and the goods are actually worth, I'm just looking because Chris has done a calculator for me, £23.28. So yeah, you can't really go wrong. And I've said it before, it's a bit like opening an advent calendar every month, because you know, it's always got different things in. If you fancy trying your first DEGUSTA box for just $7.99, just click on the link that's going to be down below, and it'll just take you straight through to DEGUSTA box, and then just put the code in as well at the bottom at the checkout, and I'll also insert the code as well for you. So yeah, that's it for this month. This is April's DEGUSTA box, and I'll see you all in the next one. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, because that means a lot to me, and it also lets YouTube know that you actually like to see this type of a video as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you could. If you want to see more of my uploads, then press that notification bell, and then you'll be informed when I have done a new upload. And I'll talk to you all in the next one. Until then, my lovelies, stay safe and stay fabulous. Bye for now.